Welcome back to our channel. Today we have modified a Willys Cj3B to an upgrade, and this vehicle is coming up with a DI turbo engine in this, and we also upgraded with power steering. Bolero power steering has been installed. Disc brakes have been upgraded to this, and brand new tires, ultra mild tires have been installed on this vehicle. So you can just check, these are the empty tires, 235, 75, 15. Off-roading rims have been installed. You can just have a look at the complete, looking like a stock condition vehicle itself. And brand new tarpaul has also been added. Set of 4 tires have been added from ultra mile itself, and the vehicle is also added with a power steering in this. We also have a original gearbox, that's KMT90 4-wheel drive gearbox installed in this, and interiors also are brand new. Tarpaul is also brand new. You can just have a look at the seat covers also. The seat covers are extremely in good condition at the moment. Brand new seat covers have been added on this. So you can just have a look at the side view of this vehicle. All the sides, the tarpaul can be removed, and totally it's a zip based tarpaul. So you can just have a look at there's a DI turbo engine totally installed in this, completely with a power brake, power clutch. Brand new radiator has been installed on this. Power steering is also being installed. For any kinds of modification, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. So please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.